Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another modification to the ZR2 Bison. This is a modification I wanted to do to the Tacoma for a long time, but never got around to doing it. But this is one of the first modifications that I'm doing to the Bison. This company makes this product for a lot of different vehicles. So without further ado, let me show you what we're going to install today. Screen ProTech was kind enough to send me out a product to review and to add to the ZR2. This is the screen protector for the main screen and the driver screen, and this should be for the solution that they provide as well. So let's see why you actually need this modification in your rig. So you may be asking yourself, why do you need a screen protector for your vehicle? And a lot like your cell phone, whenever you touch the screen in your vehicle, since all the controls are mostly on the screen now, it leaves these terrible fingerprints. I only had this vehicle for a couple of weeks now, and I wiped this screen off a lot, and these are still the fingerprints that I have on this screen. So imagine if I'm off trail, my hands are dirty, and I need to turn off my automatic lights or turn on my lights. I still have to touch the screen. My hands are gonna be dirty, and nobody wants that. Luckily, I haven't had to touch that screen, so it's not bad yet. But whenever dust and debris starts getting in there, it's gonna start scratching that too, just like the Tacoma. If you're gonna protect your phone, which you spend maybe $1,500 on, protect the screen that's in your vehicle that you spent tens of thousands of dollars on. Let's see what comes in the package. Starting with the small container that it comes with, Screen Protect. They provide a QR code so you can know what to do before you install it. And then it also comes sealed. Then there's also the same QR code there. So let's go ahead and check out this QR code. QR code leads you to this website where you can do quick instruction, full instructions, the whole nine. They even have a video, which is great. So open up the small container. Nice little spray bottle. Nice container too, I like that. Nice felt. This already has solution in it too, so that's super nice. This is really nice. This is the main container. This here. You have your bottle with a little bit of solution already in there in the bottom. You have your screen protectors. This is for the driver's dash. There's two, just in case you mess up. And this is for the main entertainment screen. Again, it's two, in case you mess up. You get this really nice cloth. Just feels almost like a silk polyester blend. And then you have this, it's more like a rubber piece. It is flexible, but it's also thick, as you can tell there. So it's a lot better than your regular credit card. I'm gonna fill this container up with warm water, and then we'll get to the install. Okay, so we're right up on our main screen here. This is a pretty big screen coming from a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This thing is massive. Ideally, you want to apply the screen protector around 70 degrees. So turn on the heat, turn on the AC, whatever you have to do. We put some warm water inside the solution. You can see it's kind of bubbly there. We're gonna go ahead and spray down the screen. take the cloth that they provided. Make sure you get around the corners, get around your knob too. Make sure that there's no dust. I'm gonna do it one more time, just because this is a very important piece here. Next, we're gonna saturate the area. You really want this to be wet whenever you put it on. Unlike whenever you put it on a screen protector on your phone, this is gonna be a wet application. Whenever you're putting on screen protectors to a larger surface, the wet application is more efficient than trying to do it like you do your regular cell phone. So we're going to go ahead and apply this. After that, we're going to orient ourselves to the template. As you can tell, there's a hole cut out here for the volume knob. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Try your best not to touch the back because of those fingerprints there. And now we're going to spray the rear. This will allow it to move around whenever we place it onto the screen itself. Now we're applying it. I'm gonna line up this hole for the volume first. And then from there, I will rotate it however I need to rotate it. The good thing is, since this is the wet method, once you put it on here, you can move it. I'm gonna line up the bottom, and if the bottom is square and even, then my top should be good too. So now we're gonna spray the outside. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna work from the center and then just move it out. And then whenever we're doing that, we're gonna be pushing out these bubbles and the water that's behind the screen there. Start at the top and work my way down, kind of like whenever you're squeezing off your window. Then once I go to the sides to make sure the bubbles are out, I want to start going down too, just getting that crisscross cover. You can also use the supplied cloth to catch some of that water too, so it doesn't get down in your controls. One last spray to get my fingerprints off of there. If you do this portion, make sure you are just pushing out and not going back and forth. You can see where the screen protector is along the edge right there. It really follows that line. See how it goes along the bottom. Really nice fit. So you may notice a little bit of haze. You probably don't see it from this angle, but there is a little bit of haze. It takes approximately 3 days for that haze and bubbles to go away. We're gonna go to the driver's side display now and do the same thing. So on the driver's side, what I'm gonna do, so I have a little bit more room to work and film for you guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down as low as it can go. So I have more room for activities. Then go ahead and clean this area a lot like we did the other one. This might be a stupid thing to be impressed about, but I really do like this cloth. It's pretty nice. Just like the front one, we're going to do that again. I'm going to try a little bit different approach. I'm going to go ahead and spray this adhesive first. We are oriented. This left side for me is going to be the bottom. You can tell by the angle at the bottom there, the way that cuts. We're going to go ahead and spray heavily on the adhesive to the sticker. And then we're going to go ahead and spray the actual screen. So we're going to take this adhesive, the screen protector with the adhesive back, And whenever we place this in here, part of the screen protector is supposed to go behind the bezel. I just want to make sure this is really even because I'm going to be staring at it. All right, that's as even as it's going to get right there. And now we're going to do like we did before. Spray some solution on the outside of the screen protector. That helps the squeezy glide across the surface a little bit more. And I'm going to start from the center and push to the edge. Once we got everything pushed to the edge, we're going to go back around with a cross pattern. Just like any screen protector, nothing is wrong with taking your time. Don't be in a rush. I'm going to take the cloth that they provided. We're just going to work to the corners again. I feel like I have some wrinkles in the corners up here, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to push them out. Let's see what it looks like close up. You can kind of see those bubbles along the edges up top, but it's still looking good. We're back at the main screen here. As you can tell, there are no air bubbles in there. And if there are, it will go away in a little bit, the haze and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let's see how quick that it still responds. The touch is still good. Still turning this little vehicle. Check our brakes. The response time is really nice. These are the cameras on the ZR2, by the way. So, really nice cameras there. It's touching everything. So it's looking real good on the response side. The dash is still looking good. So that's the final look of it. Even some of the smaller bubbles I had are already going away. So in order to maintain the good looking screen protector you just put on, they have this solution that cleans your screen protectors. And then of course, you still have this wonderful scratch-free cloth that they provide. So I just marked up the screen there a little bit. It's like it never happened. I love it. And just like that, another install done. I think this is a must-have install for any vehicle. If they make a screen protector for your vehicle, you should get it. My thing is, if you have a screen protector on your phone, why not get one for your vehicle? It only makes sense. So thank you again to Screen ProTech for sending this product out. I look forward to see how it will do in 3-4 months, and I'll provide y'all updates with how the product is going. If you have any questions about this product, put them in the comments down below. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. If not, we'll provide those questions to Screen ProTech, see if they can get you some assistance. But until next time, guys, I'll see you out on the trail. Talk to you later.